Hello children, today we will discuss about simple machines. So, what is simple machines? Actually, simple machines are machines which help us to make our work easier and faster by using less effort only. So, it make our work easy in our day-to-day life. Whenever we cut anything, whenever we pick up anything, or whenever we move anything from one place to another place. These all works become easier and faster, and by using less effort only it become very easy, and these machines are called as simple machines. And the speciality of this simple machine is this: in this machine there is less or no moving part. Means either there is no moving part or there will be less or few moving part in this. But these simple machines are also of different types. Actually, these simple machines are of 6 types: lever, inclined plane, wheel and axle, wedge, pulley and screw. So these are 6 types of simple machines. Today what we will discuss is lever. Actually, lever is a long rod or bar which help us to move the things from one place to another place. And the main constituents of lever is effort, load and fulcrum. These are 3 main constituents of lever. Actually, effort is the force which apply on in the process of doing work. Load is the weight on which the effort to be applied, and fulcrum is the fixed point of the simple machine from where we do our work. So these are 3 main constituents, and on the basis of the position of these constituents, lever is divided into 3 types. This is class 1 lever, class 2 lever and class 3 lever. In class 1 lever, fulcrum is remain in the center or in the middle or in between the load and effort. It is a simple example what you see in your daily life, that is seesaw. Scissor means scissor also remain fixed in the middle. In seesaw also you can see that there in the center it is fixed, and both sides when two boys sit then it moves ups and downs. So this is example of first class lever. This is seesaw and scissor. And here you can see in the middle it is fulcrum, means the position where the seesaw remain fixed. Second is class 2 lever. In class 2 lever, we put effort in the middle. Means in nutcracker is simple example. Whenever you when you cut a nut in your home, you can see nutcracker, and here it is the load, which means whatever nut to be cut, that is termed as load here, and one side it is fulcrum and this side is effort. Means from one side we put effort there, and at one corner it remains fixed. And the third class lever is where in which we put the effort in the middle. Simple example of this is fishing tongue. Means effort you are putting in the middle, and one side it is load and one side it is fulcrum, means it is fixed at one place. So there are 3 classes of lever, and these all are helpful in our day-to-day life. So children, in next video we will discuss about other types of simple machines. Okay, till that you enjoy this video. Okay, thank you all.